In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize clips in Kdenlive. This process is quite straightforward, and with just a few simple steps, you'll be able to adjust the size of your video clips with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Kdenlive and load your project with the clips that you intend to resize. Make sure you've got everything set up just the way you like, as the environment you're working in can make a big difference in your editing process. Now locate the clip you want to modify on your timeline. Click on it to select it. By doing so, you'll have access to a range of editing options designed to help you refine your video to perfection. With your clip selected, direct your attention to the Effects panel. This is an integral part of Kdenlive, housing a variety of tools at your disposal. Search for the Transform effect. This is a versatile tool that not only allows you to resize your clip, but also gives you the options to rotate and reposition it. The transform effect is essential for detailed editing and provides the flexibility needed to achieve professional results. Once you've applied the transform effect to your clip, you'll see the scale controls in the effect settings. These settings allow you to change the size of your clip. You can either increase or decrease the scale percentage according to your needs. To enlarge your clip, increase the percentage. Conversely, reduce the percentage to make it smaller. This method offers precise control over the changes you make. Alternatively, you have the option to resize your clip visually. This can be done by directly dragging the handles in the clip preview window, which you'll find in the monitor. This method is particularly useful if you prefer a hands-on approach to get your clip looking just the way you want on the screen. Remember, if you wish to keep the original aspect ratio of your clip intact, make sure the lock aspect ratio option is enabled while you are adjusting the scale. This step is crucial for maintaining the proportional dimensions of your clip, preventing any unwanted stretching or distortion. After making your adjustments, take a moment to play your timeline and view how the resized clip integrates into your entire video project. This is a good opportunity to ensure that your edits seamlessly enhance the overall viewing experience. And that's it. Now you know how to resize clips in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.